5 Best Motorcycles. The Ducati Panigale V4 is renowned for its powerful V4 engine, lightweight chassis, and high-performance braking systems. The Honda CBR 100RR Fireblade is a superbike that offers excellent balance, speed, and maneuverability. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a speed demon, known for its supercharged engine. The BMW S100RR is a superbike that stands out with advanced electronic features, dynamic riding capabilities, and a lightweight design. The Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 883 is famous for its classic design and powerful engine.